Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night from Kenya to our countries. Mama is always back to you guys. And today I came with a story which is trending here in Kenya, guys. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Road to 1K. It's Mama always, official_Angel. And if you are a returning subscriber, guys, I will never forget to say thank you, guys. Thank you so much to all those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And this is the story, guys. Kenya is talking after a shocking moment happened in Ganze, Kilifi County. A young man suddenly broke through tight security and managed to reach President William Ruto while he was addressing the crowd. Yes, kijana mdogo tu kiasi alifikia rais wakati alikuwa anaongea na umati wa watu. Yeah, before security officers reacted, guys, the man hugged the president, leaving many people in shock.
Iende hapo Matano Mane na iende Baolala. Maambiwa sijui kuna bao inalala mahali fulani. Hiyo pia kandarasi tumetengeneza. Yes.
Now Kenyans are asking serious questions. How did he get that close? Alifikiaje rais? Where were the security officers? Walikuwa wapi? And what if the man had dangerous intentions? Je, kama alikuwa ni anania kumuumiza? Maybe amemeza bob, maybe ana nini kitu chochote kumuumiza. Okay guys, the president of Kenya is usually surrounded by elite security teams, including the Presidential Escort Unit, PSU officers, intelligence teams, and armed police officers. During public rallies, security is expected to be extremely tight. Like hata ukitafuna Big G, unazambua toa. Nini unatafuna hiyo? So guys, but this incident shows that even the highest security can sometimes be breached in crowded public events. Video circulating online shows security officers rushing quickly. Yes, after the man reached the president. Very late. After the man reached the president, and it was very late, guys. Why? Walikuwa wapi mpo walikuwa na rush quickly? Report says President Ruto even asked officers not to handle the young man roughly because he knew very well watamuhandle mbaya mbaya bila huruma. So guys, some Kenyans believe the man was harmless and only excited to meet the president. Maybe alikuwa atakuomba kazi. Maybe alikuwa na furaha aje muona president ana kwa ana, one on one. Others say this incident is a serious warning. A serious warning to the country's security agencies. Imagine if the situation was different, guys. What if the person had harmful intentions? Would security have reacted in time? This incident has now sparked national debate about presidential safety in Kenya. Do you think President Ruto's security failed? Or was this just an innocent moment that became a big story online? How did the young man pass all security layers? Was this a security failure? How many officers usually protect the president? Did the crowd make security difficult? How? Umati wa watu ulifanya security kawa haiwezekani. Kwa tight, I mean, sijui. Was the man dangerous or just excited? Alikuwa na furaha ya kumiti president. Jukila siku labda amuona kwa TV. Siku hiyo alikuwa anamuona ana kwa ana, one on one. Should presidential security be tightened more? Could this happen again in another rally? Did security react fast enough? Those are the questions which we have to ask ourselves. Hata kama Hatufurahi lakini rais wetu. He is our president. Guys, comment below and tell me your opinion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more training Kenyan stories. It's your mama always, official_Angela. And please, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Road to 1K. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, and God bless you. And if you are a new person who came across this channel, my YouTube channel, guys, please, thank you, and may God bless you so much. Please don't forget to protect and take care of your heart. Very important. This one official_Angela and